Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, and welcome to Concordia International University. We are opening the curtain to your future here. Today, we are opening our curtain to look at your first module. Thinking that you made the best choice in your life to be a Concordia International University student, but now you're thinking, how am I going to start? Okay, then let's start. So these are our course programs. Let's assume that you are a BM, Business Management student. Click on it. Directly go to the classwork. You see there are 12 units, 6 of each, the first 6, is equal to the first bachelor degree of the first year of a university. The second 6 is equal to the second year of the bachelor degree in a university. Okay, this is later. Let's go first. Research and academic writing, one of the most important units, not only because it is the first one, because it is actually the mother of all units. Look, the first thing you should do is clicking on the course syllabus. This shows you what you will learn in this specific module or course, we prefer to say. Look at this. There are some numbers. These numbers are all showing you what you should be learning, what you should be taking from this course, all of them. And some more explanation and some reading suggestions. These reading suggestions are just suggestions, so you can find your own material. Actually, you should find your own material, but these are some of the suggestions you might have access to. And imagine, assuming we already learned it, I'm gonna learn this, I'm gonna learn this. Now you go back, before you ever go to a quiz or assignment. This is sometimes very important because students are getting excited. What am I gonna do? Which assignment, which quiz? Shh. Learn the topic first. We put something here, have a look at it. There is mostly a video reference. Watch them, all about this topic. And then there is textbook reference. Have a look at them. They're not very difficult reads. They're mostly easy reads. And then you go to quiz if you want. Not a big deal. Quiz. Shall we look at it? Okay, let's look at it. Very short. Zack, 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 zack. And then I would suggest don't do the quiz right away. Go to the assignment a little bit. Okay, now you can look at the assignment because now you know the topic. So how do we look at it? Here you scroll down. This one here is the assignment. And this one is actually even more important because this is the first page of your assignment, whatever you write for us in Concordia International University. Because this page shows that this is your original writing. You didn't take it from somewhere. We're going to talk about that in another video, but it's important. This is your first page in every assignment which you submit. Then, don't start writing yet. Look at the sample assignments. Click. Oh, see, the first page. Okay, good. And then one. Oh, this assignment is showing table of contents. Very nice. So you don't have to, but it's a good idea because it shows to the reader what she or he has to expect. And then written. And now one of the most important things are coming. That reference. References, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, here are they. And it's talking about references. In Concordia International University, we are talking about always, or we are using Harvard referencing style. But I'm going to go into that in detail in another video. Let's go back. So assuming, read the course syllabus, watch the video reference, textbook reference, have a look at the quiz a little bit. Can I do it? Yes, I can, but not now maybe. Then look at the assignment. Before I start writing, I'm actually do reading, sample assignments, even this PowerPoint, because there's a presentation involved. And all together, every assignment shows actually task, how much you should write. Word count, 2,500. Syllabus tells you that too, by the way. So this is today to show you how you should actually proceed. I have one good news for you and one not so good news. I'm joking. The not so good news is you are alone. Where? In research. You have to research yourself. And Professor Google is your best friend. I would prefer not Naver, Daum, or maybe a Chinese website, wherever you're from. Go directly to google.ca or google.com. If you look for English, search with an English browser. So Google, Professor Google, or Google Scholar. What is the teacher talking about? Google Scholar. There you go. This is another page which you can find academic writing. But again, if it is too challenging, just go to Professor Google. You might ask, why did they not put so much material in there? How am I going to learn this topic? That is the thing. It is a self-paced study. We expect you to do the job. This was a little bit bad news. Now comes the good news. You are actually not alone. Professor team, one of whom is more experienced than the other. Every professor has a different expertise, different experience, and we are all behind you. Almost 24/7, because we are also everywhere. So you will always have answers for your questions during those studies. For now, this is this, and I'm going to go talk about other stuff too. See you later.